into the fascinating world of Tibetan astrology personalities, but with a twist. We're not talking about your typical lions, dragons, or monkeys. Today, we're exploring the unique characteristics of those born in the year of the mouse. Imagine someone who's kind and compassionate, always ready to lend a helping hand. But then, in a flash, they can turn fiery and passionate, their anger burning bright. That's the curious paradox of the mouse people. Despite their occasional temper, mouse people are known for their clear logic and decisiveness. They're the ones who can analyze a situation, make a quick decision, and stick to it. They're also truthful and generous, always willing to share what they have with others. Their gentle nature and pleasant demeanor make them well-liked by everyone they meet. But even the brightest stars have their shadows. Mouse people can be easily discouraged, their spirit dampened by setbacks. They might lack perseverance, giving up on their goals too easily. And when it comes to wealth accumulation, they might face some challenges. However, when it comes to friendship, mouse people are fiercely loyal. They value their friends deeply and wouldn't dream of doing anything to betray that trust. They expect the same level of commitment from their friends, which can sometimes lead to misunderstandings due to their high expectations. Mouse people are not fans of small talk. They prefer to speak little and only when necessary. They value clear and concise communication, avoiding unnecessary chatter. Generally, mouse people enjoy good health. However, they might experience occasional physical limitations that require them to take care of themselves. One of the most admirable qualities of mouse people is their strong moral compass. They avoid harming living beings and believe in treating all creatures with kindness. But here's the catch: sometimes, their high self-esteem can work against them. They might overestimate their abilities, leading to difficulties in completing tasks effectively. And one more important thing, seek friendship in monkey, ox, and dragon people. The writer, the artist, the doctor, and the teacher are suitable jobs for people born in Year of Mouse. So, there you have it. The mouse people, a complex blend of kindness, passion, and determination. If you know someone born in the Year of the Mouse, appreciate their loyalty, honesty, and gentle nature. And remember, even the smallest creatures can have the biggest hearts. What do you think about the mouse personality? Do you know any mouse people in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hey curious minds! Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of Tibetan astrology to introduce you to a unique character, the fire mouse. Born in the years 1936 and 1996, fire mice are truly one of a kind. They're a mix of courage, deep thinking, and a love for both shiny treasures and delicious food. Now, here's the kicker: fire mouse may seem chatty on the outside, but inside, they're like deep oceans, full of hidden thoughts and insights. They're experts at spotting flaws in others and are pretty savvy when it comes to tricky situations. But hold on tight, because it's not all smooth sailing for our fire mouse pals. Throughout their 68-year journey, they'll come face to face with 5 major challenges. Luckily, they've got some mystical backup. Medicine nagas, dwelling in the mystical mountains, keep a watchful eye over them, offering protection when the going gets tough. Now, let's talk health. Fire mouse might have to deal with pesky tummy troubles, fevers, and heart issues. But fear not. With their resilience and smarts, they're more than equipped to handle whatever life throws their way. So there you have it, folks. The fiery, feisty fire mouse, navigating through life's ups and downs with courage and grace.
Don't go anywhere. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of Tibetan astrology, specifically exploring the unique characteristics of individuals born in the years of the wood mouse. The wood mouse is a truly remarkable individual. They possess an undeniable sharp wit and intelligence, often leaving others in awe of their clever wordplay and quick thinking. But their talents extend far beyond mere conversation. These individuals are artistically gifted, possessing a natural inclination towards creating beautiful works of art and intricate handicrafts. However, there's a playful side to the wood mouse as well. They have a penchant for pranks and lighthearted mischief, keeping those around them on their toes. But beware, their silver tongue can sometimes be used for more than just amusement. The wood mouse has a knack for persuasion and deception, and if not careful, they might use their charm to mislead others. Despite their occasional mischievous streak, the wood mouse is ultimately driven by a desire for prosperity and stability. They are capable of accumulating wealth and property through hard work and dedication. However, their physical well-being might be occasionally challenged by illnesses associated with the naga according to Tibetan astrology. Life for the wood mouse is a journey filled with both triumphs and challenges. They are likely to encounter 7 significant obstacles throughout their lives, but their inherent resilience and adaptability will see them through. Additionally, they are blessed with a relatively long lifespan, potentially reaching 75 years and surrounded by a loving family of 5 or 3 children. So, there you have it, folks! The wood mouse, a complex individual brimming with wit, creativity, and a touch of playful mischief. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the vast world of Tibetan astrology, and individual experiences may vary. Astrology enthusiasts, let's venture into the intriguing realm of the earth mouse here in Tibetan astrology. Buckle up as we explore the complex and often contradictory characteristics associated with individuals born under this sign. Physically, the earth mouse is often described as having a shorter stature. However, their outward demeanor belies a complex inner world. They possess a gentle nature, yet harbor a troubled mind, capable of harboring dark thoughts and even harboring a conscious inclination towards violence. Despite their potentially volatile inner world, the earth mouse exhibits a sweet and charming facade. They are skilled with words, often captivating others with their persuasive nature. However, beneath this veneer lies a strong ego, which can sometimes lead to conflict and misunderstandings. Unfortunately, the earth mouse physical well-being might be compromised by chronic phlegm issues and stomach disorders. These ailments can pose significant challenges throughout their lives. Life for the earth mouse is likely to be marked by 7 significant obstacles. These challenges will test their resilience and force them to confront their inner demons. Additionally, they may be blessed with one child who will bring them joy and purpose. However, the most unsettling aspect of the earth mouse destiny lies in their potential end. According to Tibetan astrology, they are more susceptible to meeting their demise under the knife. This possibility casts a shadow over their lives and serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of fate. It's crucial to remember that these are just general interpretations, and individual experiences may vary greatly. The earth mouse here represents a complex and multifaceted character, and it's essential to approach these descriptions with nuance and understanding.
Let's now embark on a journey to discover the captivating and multifaceted individual born in the year of the metal mouse, according to Tibetan astrology. Prepare to be impressed by the physical prowess of the metal mouse. They boast a well-built physique and possess keen senses, making them naturally adept at navigating the world around them. But their talents extend beyond the physical. The metal mouse possesses a jovial spirit, enjoying light-hearted jokes and bringing laughter to those around them. Their discerning nature and strong moral compass allow them to see through deception and recognize genuine connections. This, coupled with their versatility and skill in various fields, makes them invaluable assets to any team. They are known for their generosity, often going above and beyond to help others succeed, even if it means sacrificing their own personal gain. However, the metal mouse is not without complexities. Their inherent fighting spirit can sometimes lead to conflict, and their strong opinions might not always be met with agreement. Yet, they are generally respected by all, even those who disagree with them, due to their independence and unwavering morals. The metal mouse is blessed with stability and prosperity. They can expect few enemies and minimal interference in their lives, allowing them to focus on building a secure future. Additionally, their property, animals, and crops are likely to flourish under their care. Life for the metal mouse is a journey filled with both challenges and triumphs. They are likely to encounter 6 significant obstacles throughout their lives, but their resilient spirit will see them through. They are also blessed with a relatively long lifespan, potentially reaching 57 years, surrounded by a loving family of 5 children. So, there you have it, folks. The metal mouse, a complex individual brimming with strength, humor, and a fierce sense of independence. Tibetan astrology enthusiasts. Finally, let's delve into the intriguing, yet somewhat unsettling, realm of the water mouse year in Tibetan astrology. This sign presents a complex and paradoxical individual, shrouded in both charm and deceit. Physically, the water mouse is often described as handsome and captivating. However, their outward beauty masks a complex inner world. They possess tremendous patience, allowing them to navigate challenging situations with composure. Unfortunately, their financial stability is often in flux. Their livestock and wealth may fluctuate, requiring adaptability and resourcefulness. Additionally, they are described as having a strong sexual appetite, potentially leading to infidelity and illegitimate children. The water mouse character is further marred by a tendency towards deception and trickery. Their hearts harbor lies and manipulation, which can damage trust and relationships. Furthermore, they are driven by a strong desire for material possessions, sometimes exhibiting greed for food and property. Despite these complexities, the water mouse has the potential for a relatively long life, potentially reaching 72 years. However, their journey will be marked by 7 significant obstacles, testing their resilience and forcing them to confront their inner demons. They may be blessed with 2 or 5 children who will bring them joy and purpose. However, a chilling aspect of the water mouse's destiny lies in a potential provocation from a landlord spirit. According to Tibetan astrology, they are susceptible to the influence of this malevolent entity residing in a dangerous tree located in the east. This foreboding element adds another layer of complexity to their already multifaceted character. It's crucial to remember that these are just general interpretations, and individual experiences may vary greatly. The water mouse year represents a complex and multifaceted character, and it's essential to approach these descriptions with nuance and understanding. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the water mouse. If you have any thoughts or questions about this intriguing sign, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Always please remember, this is just a glimpse into the vast world of Tibetan astrology, and individual experiences may vary. But hopefully, this exploration has sparked your curiosity and encouraged you to delve deeper into this fascinating system of self-discovery. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful dives into the world of astrology and beyond. Until next time, stay curious.